The beginning of the day 4 has been fantastic. We are in Tonglu and we will be starting off from here any moment. Good morning, guys. You may be wondering what it is, but here is a surprise for you all. There is the Kanchenjunga.
Sleeping Buddha Pandit.
That is called the Sleeping Buddha. I don't know how much I can show you, but the mountain is really close to us. That is why it is so much visible to phone. The beginning of the day 4 has been fantastic. We are in Tonglu and we will be starting off from here any moment. Let's see how the day goes. So day 4 has begun as I showed you earlier. So we are on our way to Goiribas. The way is absolutely tough, very tough. It's not not solid. We couldn't find any solid road. The road is absolutely stony and we are finding it difficult. Let's see how it goes. See you as soon as possible. They are the friends. They are my friends coming in. So let's see how much we can go.
Water ahead.
It's a great news for us. Our guide just told us that we are in Nepal. I will show you a bit. These the Buddhist stones. So it's a great experience. First time we have stepped out of our country, and it feels wonderful. It feels fantastic. You know, we didn't even realize that we are in Nepal. Then our guide told us, and it's wonderful. We are in Goiribas. We have trekked almost more than 8 kilometers. So it was a tough journey. The road was really stony. We didn't get any, pitch roads. Devajyoti is here. You will say something. Say something about that trek so far.
Today's trek was very fine and it was far better than yesterday. So let's see what will happen.
Let's see when I come online again. The weather is getting foggy. So guys, finally after a tiring day we have finally reached our next destination, that is Kalpokhari to be exact. This is the lake. Weather is a bit foggy. I'll put a picture of the Kalpokhari lake. I'll take it later on and I'll post it, or we have a good camera. So the main problem we are facing is of charging our phones and camera. So hopefully we will find a point to charge our phones here. So let's see how it goes. Finally we are in Kalpokhari. So let's see when I can record next. I am really tired. Bye. Everyone, it's day 5. We are in Kal Pokhari. The weather is pretty cold. We are ready for our trek to start off. The thing I wanted to say is really important. The GTA Lodge service is fairly okay, not so good. In Tonglu, it was so. I mean, I won't say that I'm really satisfied. But in private, we stayed in Kalpokhri. We found a private lodge called the Chang Lodge, CHANG. I will try to get some information and put it in the video or the link below. But the hotel is absolutely amazing. The people here are really good. We have enjoyed excellent hospitality here. The food is absolutely brilliant, good to taste. Plus, they give you enough quantity to make your, to fill yourself. Shubhama is here. Say hi, man.
Hi.
We are trekking fairly good. The guy told us that as first time trekkers, we are trekking well. So let's see how much we can do. Our next stop is, today we will be climbing on the highest peak, Sandakphu. Ball.
The place is far better than the GTA house.
This is the main concern.
Construction or the hospitality, everything is better than GTA.
He is also saying. So let's see after when I make the video. Hopefully we will be in Sandakphu today as soon as possible.
And today our dream
Dream is going to be fulfilled. So bye for now. Bye.
Bye.
We have finally reached Sandakphu. We are still not in our trekker's hut, but it's a stop. We'll be there in 2 minutes. It is raining outside, so we are stopping here. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
So the road was really tough. I thought the guide told us that this is the toughest road. Tomorrow we will be going to Phalut. That is really. Let's see what happens. Hi guys, it's almost 10 here and it's absolutely dark here. We are suspecting that something paranormal is happening outside. We think that some of the ghosts are roaming outside, so we are pretty scared. The most scared person is here. Nijer dike flash ta maar. Yes, Sayon is also here. And hey, edike de. And the sad person.
Okay, so we have a haunted house here.
I don't know how much I can show you. Whatever it is. Good night from Sandakphu.